Here's how to do an easy wavy blow dry at home with GHD Speed. Firstly, gently squeeze any excess moisture into your towel, then prep the hair with GHD Pick Me Up for big volume and root lift. Next, take your hairdryer without the nozzle and dry the hair until it's about 80% dry. Attach the Precision Styling nozzle. This gives you more volume and shine. Then place the GHD round brush in a section of your hair. Curl it away from your face like you would a curling tong and roll the brush up and down the section as you dry. Release the hair out of the brush and twist the section with your finger to lock the curl. Blow dry the same way around your head until all the hair is dry. GHD Speed guarantees no heat damage and is cool on your scalp. Mist GHD Shiny Ever After onto a brush and dress out to soften the look. And there you have it, a beautiful blow dry that lasts all day long.